Switzerland provides urgently required food aid to Madagascar. At the end of December 2021, the government of Switzerland contributed over 866,000 euros in food assistance through the United Nations World Food Programme, or WFP, to help over 1 million people in Madagascar who do not have adequate nutritional sustenance due to severe drought and the effects of the pandemic. This funding is in addition to the 1.44 million euros already provided by Switzerland last year, a part of its total 2021 donations to the African continent of over 96 million euros. The WFP estimates that nearly half of all children in Madagascar aged between 6 months and 5 years are chronically malnourished. Thank you, Switzerland and World Food Programme, for helping to care for the people of Madagascar who lack adequate food. In the love of heaven, may humanity soon wake up to the devastating effects of the animal people industries on global food supplies and quickly adopt compassionate lifestyles.
World Health Organization, or WHO, cautions Omicron could infect over half of Europe within 2 months. On January 11th, 2022, WHO's Regional Director for Europe, Dr. Hans Kluge, warned that more than 50% of Europe's population could contract the Omicron variant of SARS-CoV-2 within 6 to 8 weeks. The sobering warning was issued after the region recorded over 7 million cases of new infections in the first week of 2022. According to Dr. Kluge, the Omicron strain is moving faster and wider than any variant because its mutations have enabled it to adhere to human cells more easily, infecting even those who have been previously infected or vaccinated. As Europe's health systems face challenges from rising coronavirus hospitalizations, Dr. Kluge asserted that since there were too many unknown factors, including its severity and long-term symptoms, it was too early to downgrade it from pandemic to endemic status. Our gratitude for the urgent warnings, Dr. Hans Kluge and World Health Organization. To avert lethal zoonotic outbreaks, may humanity swiftly embrace the life-saving vegan diet in God's awakening light.
California, United States, plans to become first state to offer free health care to all undocumented migrants. The governor of California, the Honorable Gavin Newsom, has included expanding healthcare coverage to more low-income individuals living in California, regardless of immigration status, in his newly proposed budget. Currently, only those undocumented persons 26 or under, or 50 and older, beginning May 2022, can qualify. The program would cover those individuals not in these two age groups and be initially financed by and over $45.7 billion state budget surplus from federal COVID-19 funds and other sources. The Honorable Gavin Newsom is a Shining World Leadership Award for Loving Care laureate and Shining World Leadership Award for Good Governor recipient. Many thanks, the Honorable Gavin Newsom, for your proposed new budget that offers broad access to health care to all people living within your state. In the blessings of the divine, may California's residents always thrive and enjoy robust health.
More companies in Singapore hiring people with special needs. The number of support initiatives to bring job training and employment to people with disabilities, who make up nearly 5% of the population in Singapore, is increasing in both the public and private sectors. For example, the social service agency Association for Persons with Special Needs currently collaborates with almost 100 companies in sectors including plant cultivation and hospitality to train and provide jobs to its special needs members. One of the participating companies, Japanese fashion brand Uniqlo, currently has more than 30 employees with disabilities throughout its Singapore stores. Additionally, new grants and employment promotion policies of the government of Singapore have also empowered specially abled people. Such encouraging news, Singapore! May your kind-hearted country continue to prosper as each citizen plays their unique and noble part in the boundless generosity of heaven.
Gentleman in United States anonymously returns money to owner. A man was recently recorded by the doorbell camera of a house in Portland, Oregon, returning $40 that he likely found lying on the driveway. The owner of the home and money, Henry Rosicki, was out of town at the time and was remotely alerted to the activity by the camera. Mr. Rosicki posted a video message about the kind act on Nextdoor, a social messaging service for neighbors, that thanked the unknown man, stating, I say thank you, and thank you not just for the money, but just for the thought and the just encouraging, hopeful feeling that this has brought to me and just to so many people. Our appreciation, kind gentlemen, for your humble deed of honesty. In celestial care, may such actions spread throughout communities as love becomes the common language for all people.
Starbucks UK encourages sustainability with fairer pricing of vegan milk. Since January 5th, 2022, all 1,020 Starbucks outlets in the United Kingdom have removed the 40 pence or 54 US cents per beverage surcharge on adding vegan milk to drinks. Now, customers can order oat, almond, coconut, soy, or Starbucks Original Nut Blend plant-based milk options for the same price as dairy milk. The chain has also debuted its first fully vegan plant-based tuna, or tuna, sandwich, presented with arugula leaves, cucumber, red onion, and vegan mayonnaise. Additionally, 3 new vegan bakery items, pecan and caramel brownie, carrot cake, and chocolate and caramel muffin, have been added to the menu, demonstrating Starbucks' commitment to its goal of moving to a more environmentally friendly menu. Great choices, Starbucks United Kingdom. In the grace of the Providence, may your new changes help many more of your customers enjoy delicious and planet-friendly vegan plant-based food and drinks, and thus aid them in creating a more compassionate world.
Prague to ban cruel practice of using horse people to pull carriages in certain districts. The Czech Republic's capital city's council has announced that it will disallow horse people drawn carriages in Old Town Square and Stromovka from January 1st, 2023. This action follows a campaign by animal people rights activists that revealed the abuses of the industry. Horse people have a timid nature, are sensitive to loud noises, and run away when they sense danger. Thus, a busy city can be a stressful and hazardous environment for them. Exhaust fumes also cause significant damage to their respiratory system, while trotting on hard surfaces all day can create crippling leg problems. The majestic beings are also forced to work during scorching summers and freezing winters. Prague now joins Paris, France, London, UK, Barcelona, Spain, and other cities in banning or restricting the outdated practice. Our accolades, Prague City Council, on your compassionate act. May the intelligent horse people be protected and cherished in God's forever embrace.